178 divided by 5, and we're going to use the partial quotients method for dividing. So I need to know, okay, how many groups of 5 are there in 178? Well, there's a lot, right? And so I usually, if it's in the hundreds place, kind of start with my hundreds. So I know that 100 groups of 5 is 500. Too big. So now let's go with my next easy fact, which is 10. Okay, 10 groups of 5 is 50. Alright, so that leaves us with 128. Well, I can take out another 10, and you could certainly do that, but maybe somebody might recognize, you know what, I can take out 20 groups of 5, because 20 groups of 5 is 100. Now, if your students aren't to this point where they can recognize that they can take out 20 groups, that's okay. It's just giving that flexibility, pushing toward being able to get to the standard algorithm if they can take out bigger chunks. Alright, so now I've got 28. Well, 10 groups is too big, but I know my 5 facts, and 5 times 5 groups of 5 is 25. And so that leaves me with 3. Okay, 3, I don't have a group of 5 there. So that means that 3 is my remainder. So I'm going to add my partial quotients. And so my answer here is 35 with a remainder of 3. Okay, now we know we can work this same problem a different way, and that's the beauty of partial quotients. Alright, so this student recognizes that, you know what, I know that there are 30 groups of 5 in 178 because I know that 3 times 5 is 15, so 30 times 5 is 150. Some of our students are ready for that, and we want them to get there, but we want them to get there when they're ready. Alright, so that gives us 28, and so again, this student's fluent. They know that 5 times 5 is 25, which is close to 28, with 3 left over. Okay, that leftover is my remainder. I add my partial quotients, 35, remainder 3. Same problem, students at 2 different levels, okay? So you might even have to start pulling out 10 at a time, not even getting to this 20 when you're first introducing the partial quotients. Okay, y'all, I hope this helps you. Let me know if you've got any questions.